Hello everyone, welcome to Home Food Maniacs, and today we are going to make potato poppers. For that we need potato. We have to soak the potatoes in water after removing the skin on potatoes. Then we have to make potato chips using the chopper as shown in video. We have to make the potatoes as shown in video using that chopper. After that we need to clean the potato chips with water thrice. After cleaning potato chips for 3 times, then we have to heat the water until it gets bubbles. And we also need to add salt. After getting bubbles like this, we have to add chopped potatoes. We have to boil these potato chips for 2 minutes. And then we have to turn off the stove. Take the potato chips from boiled water as shown in video after boiling it for 2 minutes. And then we have to dry these potato chips under fan or sunlight for 1 day. By doing that we can make potato poppers. We are drying these potato chips on a cover under the sunlight for 1 day. During night you can dry these potato chips under fan. Like this we have to dry these potato chips under sunlight during daytime, and in nights we have to dry these under fan. Now we are going to fry this in oil. Now we are frying these potato chips as shown in video. You can watch it. That's it. Potato poppers are ready to eat. Now we are spraying the chaat masala and chili powder. Little bit of salt as per your taste. As shown in video, you have to mix the potato poppers so that you can eat this with rice, or you can take it as snacks for evening. That's it. Potato poppers are ready to eat. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the notification whenever we upload a video. Thanks for watching.